I am P. Gopal Krishna, a bank retired official, aged 78 years. My left hip was required to be totally replaced. I was referred to Dr. Rakesh of Srikara Hospitals, sister's daughter, who incidentally happens to be an MD, and her husband also is an oncologist in MD. So I had come to the Srikara Hospitals on 19th of May. I was operated on 20th May by Mr. Rakesh and his team. The service rendered by Rakesh and his team of anesthesists and technicians was far excellent and cannot be described in words. I am very much grateful to him. And after two reviews being done, today I am being told that I am perfectly all right and I would be able to rather walk on my own within maximum another 10 to 15 days. With the excellent teamwork and then the kind care and affection showered on me by the team of Mr. Rakesh, I am very much grateful to him. The extraordinary care taken by Mr. Rakesh and the direction given by him and the physiotherapist recommended by Mr. Rakesh has helped me a lot in getting recovered within a short span of time possible. I am able to walk on my own now without the need of walker. And the doctor has suggested to me to rather do this physiotherapy exercise, and I will be able to rather totally get cured and recovered within another 10-15 days, and I may be able to walk on my own and do my regular course and duties, for which I am ever grateful to Mr. Rakesh and his team and to Srikara Hospitals. And incidentally, her PA, Miss Pujita, also received me very well during the two review times, and she has helped me to rather get the treatment cleared or review cleared at the very earliest, and the service rendered by the entire team of Mr. Rakesh is excellent. I say it from the bottom of my heart, and I am ever grateful to the team of Mr. Rakesh. Thank you very much.